Yesterday we have taken the class of unlocked, but I forgot the about that class. Don't worry, we have repeated the yesterday videos also. Okay, yesterday topics. So we have to taking the class of unlock tool.
Yes, sir. Sir, I have a question.
Yeah, Patrick, tell me.
Yesterday class was not recorded.
Yeah, I forgot it that. So that case you can't get with you on your like group description. Don't worry, we have repeated also yesterday topic. And first I have already recorded today class. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, so it is our unlock tool and you know how to buy. You can go on unlock tool and if you want to buy this tool, you can direct message or first we have registered of this class and activate that user ID and password. Now I have already in my PC and activated. So now we have to use this tool. Simple, tap your username and password and click on login button. UI mode is extended mode and you can use theme mode as well as your Windows mode or unlock tool mode. While you have login, it will starting now initializing all brands module. Okay, now it is slicing all modules and last it restoring the settings. Okay, so guys, it is our unlock tool. So in MI, you have got the numbers of brand here. MI brand, Samsung brand, Huawei, Oppo, Vivo, V Smarts, Mizu, Techno, Asus, LG, Nokia, Lenovo, and these two tabs, Qualcomm, Snapdragon, and MediaTek, that can use for flashing and unlocking purpose. Android, Apple, in those tab, in this two tab, you can extract your file in Apple tab and in Phoenix also supported in this tool. So let's start with MI. In MI tab, we have to flash as well as unlock your MI account and factory set. How? If you want to flash your phone, simply you have to take the MI flash tab and show all take the, you can also download the file also. You can first take care the model like Redmi Note 4 Mido and download the file also you can directly. it will cannot. So you can directly. So now I have a Redmi Note 4 and now I am downloading a flash file, Mido, of that Redmi Note 4 name, flash file. MIUI 11 7.0 version. Now I'm downloading this file 1.7 GB. Okay, now it's downloading. So if you want to flash, I will take example. Now I'm giving first example. If you want to erase MI account and FRP, click on that MI Cloud ROM, reset MI Cloud and erase FRP. And if you anti-relog, you can also take their bypass anti-reboot and take the MI account file. How to get a MI account file? Simply you go on Google and type the model MI account file. So here you have got the MI account file and all others file here. Numbers of model you can take here. Simply click that the model and it will download. I have already downloaded, so skip the downloading function. Like example, Redmi 8A. And what is the CPU of this Redmi 8A? You can directly go on Google and type the model Redmi 8A and type after CPU type. After model, you can type there CPU type. You have got there the CPU information of that model. So it is a Qualcomm RAM 2 GB, 32 GB internal storage. So now if you want to unlock MI account and FRP only, so that case you have download the MI account file from the Google and unzip after you have get the folder of Redmi 8 MI account FRP file. And here you can upload your file. Go on the path. It is your file. While after you are clicking, it's not no items match your search. So back and load last one folder on the tool. It will upload the file. Next we have come on the custom mode and server mode. In custom mode, we have to while getting the fail information from server. But while you have unlocking any phone within lock tool, you have getting server mode always. And search your model. So it is a Redmi 8A. Okay, and you need what while you have clicking flash, because it's a Qualcomm, so you need to first connect your phone from the PC. After that you can flash your phone. So while you have clicked the flash tab, it will getting a result and retrieving the data. And after searching the port of Qualcomm port, if it is have, so it will go further, otherwise it will stop on searching for loader port. Correct, 9008 port. So it is a function while you have MI account and remove. So while you have taking MI account file, it will also erase your FRP. So it is a function while we have erase MI account and FRP. If you want to, if you don't want to MI account file, you want to directly erase FRP and MI account. How? Simple. Come here the security tab and type here the model. Like we have taking it model Redmi 8A. Okay, Live Light, it is a name of that model. and you can directly disable MI cloud or reset, and also you can erase FRP. So first we have erase MI cloud. Click erase MI cloud. It will searching authenticate. First it will checking the auth model and retrieve data. Next searching the COM port. It have, so it will go further. Again it will stop. While you have MI account removed successfully, next you have to reconnect again and do FRP for the Qualcomm port. Again you have reconnect again EDL port for the FRP. Got it? So it is a function that you don't need any flash file or sorry, you don't need any MI account file for the erasing data and FRP, as well as MI cloud or MI account. Got it, Jayakumar?
Okay, sir.
Patrick?
So you show on model, sir, practically.
Okay, now it's downloading now. Okay, it's downloaded successfully. I will show on the Qualcomm tab.
Okay.
Okay. So it is a function while you have unlock MI account or factory set without file. You do on EDL mode. While you have clicking there, you have also got the EDL. If you get MTK phone like Redmi 6A, type the model 6A, you have got Bro mode. And you know guys how to connect in Bro mode. Simple, switch off your phone in build battery and press volume plus and minus and connect. Yeah, it will make a port of MediaTek USB VCOM and erase MI cloud, FRP and factory set. Okay. Okay, Patrick.
Okay,
Okay,
okay.
sir.
Samsung time, same. We have to erase FRP. If you want to like Samsung A7 model, like example, we have getting the latest model is not supported in Samsung. Basically, like Samsung J7. If you want to, while you have hard reset is easily, but if you are getting error, you can connect with the COM port, and you know COM port is download mode on recovery mode. Simple. Press volume down and power key and home button. It will go on download mode, and you can directly factory set of that phone, as well as you can erase FRP for the MTP mode. How to get MTP mode? Simple, switch on your phone and connect from the cable. Do not press any key. It will go on directly MTP mode, and you can bypass of FRP on one click. Got it? If you want to flash, so in that case you have taking Odin flash. Okay, and take the file pit file. It will need pit file for the flashing. So Samsung is unnecessary for the flashing of this tool because Odin is free. Okay. Next one is Huawei. And you know guys, Huawei is a brand that is supported the HeliSilicon CPU type Karin. And if you want to unlock any phone of HeliSilicon, so that case you need for the USB 1.0, that is a test point, same as your test EDL point of Qualcomm. And while you have getting MTK phone or a Snapdragon phone, so that case you have need EDL point like Huawei Honor 8C. It is a Qualcomm. You can go on Google and check the CPU type. Honor 8C. So it is a Qualcomm. So you need EDL points. So go on Google, type Honor 8C test point or EDL point. So this is your, you firstly have swing. So this is your EDL point. Remove battery, connect, remove battery, touch the user there and connect from the PC. It will make a port Qualcomm. And if you want to connect with test point like USB 1.0, how? Same that case you have to need for USB 1.0. Like example, we have taken here HeliSilicon Kirin 960. Kirin 960. So you have got the supported model of Kirin 960 CPU, like test point Huawei Mate 20 Pro. You have take this test point, remove battery, same condition like ETL, remove battery first, Take tweezer, touch tweezer here and connect USB cable. It will make on port USB 1.0. You can also check on the device manager. It will make a port USB 1.0. Otherwise, you can got here COM port in your tool. Got it? Okay. Next one, if you get the any MediaTek brand like Huawei Wi-Fi, it's connecting with Brom mode. You can factory set an FRP of that model. So how? In Brom mode, we have to erase, and you know why? What? How to connect erase Brom mode? Everyone knows that now. How to connect Brom mode? Hello.
Pressing volume up and down.
Yeah. Press volume plus and minus or up and down. So you do on Y. You want to flash, you can also flash like upgrade, like we have taken example here, load file. So while you have downloading the file, it will show the update file on that file. Take that file, like the come on the compressed folder, Huawei G Play Mini, it's example deload. It's your update.app. It's your file and it will uploading on your tool while if you want to flash your phone. Correct? In Oppo. So in unlock tool, Oppo, Realme, Vivo, we have got the MediaTek numbers, all model supported here. All model like X to Z, A to Z. Got it? So you can unlock your phone, flash your phone of Oppo, Realme, Vivo, MI. How? If you want to unlock Oppo A11K, so first you have it's a CPH is 2071, and you know CPH is brand that's showing for Oppo. So you can unlock with Meta Factory 2 safe mode. It is your Meta Factory Set 2. It is a safe mode. You can also save data of that model. If you got the safe mode is highlighted, that means you can keep the data of that model. Only you have to erase that password. It's a function. Got it? Simple connect safe click save format and do not press any key of that model like Oppo 11K. Volume sorry, switch off your phone and connect without any volume key or power key. Switch off your phone, inbuilt battery and connect from the PC. It will get a port of Meta and will go on the Meta mode and erasing the pattern only. Got it? So it is a function you can do on safe format, that is keep data or it is unlocking without loss of user data. But if you're taking the factory set, it will erase your data. Got it? So it is example. And if you want to unlock a Realme phone, so you have got the numbers of model like Realme 3. It's example Realme 3 1821, 1822, 1823. You can directly unlock Realme 3i 1827. Okay, so you can directly unlock same method in Bro method. Got it? If you want to unlock factory set FRP at a time, you can directly connect at a time mode. Got it? Any question, guys, from this tab?
Sir, can we take data from the Hang On logo mobile, sir, using this tool?
In Hang On logo, you can only for flash of that phone. And you know, guys, while you have flashing your phone, it will erase all data.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Only way is you with the JTAG only you can take the data.
Yeah, JTAG or UFI, you can keep the data of that phone.
Okay, sir.
Same procedure in Vivo model. We have to unlocking all models like EDL or Bro mode. You know, guys, how to connect your EDL and Bro mode. In Bro mode, we have got them like example Vivo S1. It is a Pro mode. You have to. It's supported the auth mode. You can connect, click that model and checking the retrieving, authenticating, and now it's need bypass. So you have to simple click volume plus and minus and connect. It will bypass it first. After it will erasing the data. Got it? So it's a function of Bro mode. If you got any like Vivo example V20 Pro, it's a Qualcomm, so it shows EDL. So that case you have need EDL point of that model. So how to get EDL? Simple, you go on Google and type the model. Otherwise, if you're getting take this tool, and using this tool, you can directly got the test point in test point tab, and you can directly search like Vivo, which one? V20 Pro. So it's your ideal point. Directly click here, and you have got the tested ideal point, and it accurate test ideal point. Got it? So it's a extra bonus for our tool. You can also got the test point in this tool. You can erase FRP, factory set, but if you got the old model, you have also save format option like Vivo U1, U10. It's getting example for save format. So that case, you can keep the data on save format. While you have unlocking any phone and you have getting the save format is option is available to always we have take save format because it save the data and it is legal. But while you have unlocking any phone, first we have pick the customer uh, phone bill box and proof that after you are unlocking. Okay, because it is illegal process. While you have do not take any proof of that phone. Got it, guys? Hello, got it now?
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Next one is V Smart. So same procedure. You can V Smart like model Brome model. If you're getting Brome like MediaTek, you can erase FRV factory set or Win ID of that V Smart. Come on the Meizu tab. Okay, now I have already downloaded compressed folder. Redmi. Where is Redmi? Okay, it's your file. Right click and unzip first. You can take 7-zip. It's best for extracting your file. In Meizu tab, we have also same procedure in Brome mode, or if you're getting CPU is Qualcomm, so that case you have need ETL. Otherwise, it's MediaTek, so you can take the volume plus and minus, or if you're getting meta mode. But always you have got the auth Brome that is showing that is you have to need volume plus and minus and unlock FRP factory set and Flame ID of that phone. Okay. In Techno, same procedure. We have got the auth model. So in that case, you have need by if you're getting auth that is showing for first you have bypass that phone auth bypass that after it will erasing your data. So it will not need for the double connect. You have single connect from your phone. It will bypass one time and it will automatically after bypassing that phone erasing data. Like F Techno F2 Lite, click there and click factory set. It will first check the model and authenticate and retrieve and check the model COM port it's making or not. While you have getting, it will work and it done for FIFE and factory set. So you can do on. So only you have to unlock on this brand model. Like if you're getting Asus, in Asus we have also same ETL and Brome mode. Take that same model example. Asus Zenfone Max, it's a Qualcomm Snapdragon. If you want to unlock that phone with data loss, so in that case you have need ETL. How to get ETL? Come on the test point and search the model Asus. Other one. Okay, Asus point now saying so you can don't worry, go on Google and tap the model Asus Zenfone Max. Okay, so you can directly take this model, this picture and remove your battery and test user here. and connect your phone. It will make a Qualcomm port on your PC, and you can unlock your phone as well as FRP. Same model in LG, and Nokia also supported in this tool. You can factory raise and FRP also. Some model has supported on Nokia like Nokia 1, 2, Nokia 2.1, Nokia 2.3, 5.16, 7.1, Nokia 8, and Nokia G10. Okay, so you can unlock out that phone. Lenovo, it also supported some Lenovo model, so you can take and unlock FRP and factory set like Lenovo K10 Note L3 38111. It's your model and you want to unlock that model or factory set, you can connect the ADL mode and click on factory set. Same procedure, check the model and authenticate and checking the retrieving the data of that model and go searching the COM port of that model. Okay, come on the Qualcomm tab. In Qualcomm tab, we have to flash your phone as well as you can unlock your phone. How? First we have click your Qualcomm tab. It will show on the file information tab, blank fill here, and also you have got the full flash option, show all, protect EFS always. And next you have connect. If you want to flash, come on the custom mode and select your file in load Firehose file. And how to get a Firehose file? While you have unzip your file, it will again getting unzip and extract it. There you have got the program MC Firehose file for the Qualcomm brand. Okay, so example like first we have taking the example of server. Search your brand first. Like we have take the example of Xiaomi, and you have got the also example here like we have download the Redmi Note 4. Okay, and you can flash, but you can flash as well as you can reset a iCloud, FRP, factory set, and format of storage. But if you want to flash up, but it's not showing the flash is hidden. Why? Because there's a no selected you uploaded a file on this tool. So that case you have to need flash file of that model. So now it is unzipping.
என் கூட பொண்ணு இருந்தா எப்படி ரிட்டர்ன் வருவா?
5:50 காலா 5:50
வெய்ய டைம் ஆகுது எனக்கு கிளாஸ்.
And now it's zipping. Now we have to need for the flash file. Click on firmware tab and take your the flash file. It's a Mido and select after until while it will not getting blank. So it's your images that is showing your last folder and it's uploading all file. Now next you have to take the phone. So you have to need ETL point of that phone. So you can also get the test point from the tool.
அடிக்கோ என்ன எழுப்பணும்
So its test point is side of the phone. It will make a port. It will make a port Qualcomm because automatic because it's a dead phone. So if you want to get it on phone, so you guys you have first need the test point. You can zoom and zoom out and zoom in also. And next you have click on flash tab, it will light it. First it will checking the model and authenticate and retrieve data. And next it will flashing your phone. So it will not detect your port. It will automatically it will automatically lift it from the PC port. You have got the port also here. Got it? It will left the port while it will fail the programmer file. Okay, let's take example with custom mode load firehose. So it's a Mido. So this is your program MC firehose file and flash. You can also flash with MI flash tool. MI flash. This is your file and take the custom mode because in server mode we have getting error from your port is not working. Same procedure you can you got on custom mode because it's a dead phone and it's trying to flash. So only for showing how to flash your phone, any phone. Okay, guys, got it? How to flash? Simple, you can flash other one brand like MediaTek. Example, we have taking Infinix. We have also Infinix model. Okay, it's not showing the Infinix. Don't worry, it now I'm showing how to. Okay, it's a model of your Qualcomm. So in Qualcomm tab, we have to unlocking as well as flash your phone. In MediaTek model, in MediaTek you can skip preloader and format all plus DL, but do not click format all plus download because it will erase your security file also. You can tick on auth bypass or skip preloader. It's best. Click on server and select your brand. Like if we have taken the brand of Infinix, next we have need for the model like we have already in my PC. What's the model? Hot 10i, and it is a MediaTek because it's showing a scatter file. Okay. So next, hot NI, check the model is supported or not. It's not supported. Oh, yeah, it's have. Hawks hot 10, 10T, 10 like example 10. And what is the 659? Okay, you can take the model, and if you want to flash, same procedure you can need for Qualcomm. We have need for programmer file, but if you want to flash your MediaTek, so that case you have need scatter file. So click the scatter file option, load scatter file, give the path. It is your Infinix 659 and it's showing your scatter file. And write a scatter file, select this file, and it is uploaded all file. And next you have to click on flash tab after you connect your phone from the PC. Got it? So it is a function you can do on MediaTek and Qualcomm also. Got it, Jayakumar?
Sir, it will automatically skip preloader file, sir. Automatically.
Because if you want to do not press on that security file, only you have
Okay.
to erase account. So that case you have skip preloader. Otherwise, if you want to full flash, so you need untick skip preloader and it will work. Because preloader it is inbuilt on your account. Okay,
Okay.
it is account file, same as that is Qualcomm is persist file.
Okay.
Got it?
Okay, sir.
So tab is clear now. All tab is clear now.
Okay, sir.
Any doubt for the tab? Patrick? Patrick Onuko,
Yes, sir.
are you there?
I'm there. I'm there.
Okay.
I'm there, sir.
Okay. So you have understand all topics?
Yes. The
Okay.
concept is the same.
Same.
As in, what you need to understand is the operational issue. The concept for all phones is the same.
Yeah, same.
Yes.
But it's different for the tool.
Different for the tool where you have DROM and where you have to test the EDL points.
Okay.
That
So
is the only
so it's
difference.
flash in flash tab. We have to flash as well as in meta tab. You can unlock your phone. Got it?
Yes.
So it's a function how to flash and unlock your phone of in unlock to. Okay. Next one is Android. What is the function is Android? So Android, we have got the extract our file package manager. We have checked the package name, so you can read your package. So first it will reading the ADV interface phone, and you need to ADV interface phone where while you have getting the ADV mode is enabled on that phone, you can directly read that package of that model. Next one is Android image. In Android image, we have extracting our phone brand file. First one, it is showing OFP, MTK, and pack. What is mean that OFP, MTK, and pack? So while you have downloading any open Realme model flash file, you have got there the type of that model is will came on OFP. Got it? OFP. How? Okay. Example, we have the Oppo CPH1803 Oppo A3s model, and now I am downloading simple flash file from the Google, and it will showing the this tool. I know you know very well what is the purpose of this tool. So it is a flashing, but it is a authenticate. So it will came on the OFP. So how to flash with this tool? Because it's supported for the MediaTek for the scatter file and programmer file for the Qualcomm, but it shows only OFP. There is no scatter file, no programmer file. How to flash with this file? So that case we have to need extract this file. How to extract? Simple. Click command the Android tab and click OFP, MTK and pack tool and give the path there that you want to extract that file. So this is our file CPH1803 and these are our OFP files supported on this tool. You can extract easily, double click there and it will automatically firmware not support. If getting any model like firmware not support, why? Because your model is Qualcomm. Got it? If you're getting like this type of error, understand guys, that is your Qualcomm. Okay, we take example for OFP for MTK. Realme. We take the example like sorry. Okay, file. First we have to unzip our file. Like example, I have a file RMX1821. RMX, it is a MediaTek. Click 7-zip and extract it. Please wait guys, now it is extracting.
It's very slow, sir. Sir, which models are getting, which models having this OFC file, sir? Very big file, sir. ரெடி ஆயிட்டாங்க. வரலையாமா.
Okay, so now it's extracting almost completely. So we have taken the model RMX1821 and it will be showing me MTK, that is your OFP file. Only it's showing OFP file. That is your OFP main file for flashing your phone. Okay. So how to extract? Simple, click that folder of that model. It will automatically extracting and decrypting your file. And now it is extracting your system file. For the flashing purpose, we have to use on our flash file. And now it is extracting system.image file. And it is extracting our OFP file. Same procedure, image convert. If you're getting image file, so you can take the image file, Nokia NB0 file. How to get Nokia NB0 file? While you have downloading Nokia file, like example, we don't have any Nokia file. So while we have downloading Nokia file now, so there you have got their Nokia. There's a no Nokia file, so it can't work. Got it, Jayakumar? How to extract your file? Like
Okay, sir. That image convert means which file we can convert, sir?
image file. While we have getting image file of any brand, you can directly
Uh,
convert your file by this tool.
both Qualcomm and MTK.
Yeah. No. Yeah.
Uh,
It will support it both Qualcomm and MTK. Sorry.
okay. So that you tell that OFC unpack no. For Qualcomm, what image, what?
Because it will not supporting because Qualcomm has high security, so it will not taking this tool. If you want to extract the OFP of Qualcomm model, so you can take in EasyJet or UFI also.
Okay, sir.
And now it is decrypting our user data file. Now last one, it is decrypting our vendor file. So while we have opened the extracting file, we have also got the new folder that is showing is unpacked file. And while you have opened the folder, you have got the simple flash file while you have using the flash tool. You have got their media scatter file, MTK scatter file. Okay, so it's showing MediaTek MT607 and our scatter file. Also, it shows your preloader file that is supported for account information here. So it is your full flash file like, and you can directly use your MediaTek folder. Go on the select your brand. First select your brand, next select your model. Realme 3 and select your file, load a scatter file. So unpacked folder, we have got a scatter file and it will showing all scatter file of RMX 1821 Realme 3 file and you do flash simple. So it's a format. You can change the format of file type also. Okay. In image convert file, like example, so I think there is no file of image file here. So you can take image file, Nokia NV0 file. You can directly unlock that and dump preloader file. You can take the dump file also. So you need to have MediaTek device for the dump preloader file for security purpose. Last one is Apple. So in Apple, you also do in Apple function, like if you got iCloud, so you can do on iCloud also like a function. You can read hardware information there, connecting your device simple, switch on and connect, disable factory reset, restore factory reset. If you want to disable OT update, you can directly disable OT update and fix. If you want to hide Apple ID, you can click on hide Apple ID and connect your phone. But it needs for the token and iOS version supported. So like X token, we have to use for you need MID and MDM lock function you have to provide there, and one click you can remove the query iCloud. Backup passcode, erase all, restore backup, hello screen. So basically we have to use for this brand of this tool. In Apple, if you want to unlock Apple phone, so you get EFT Pro, it's best for the Apple, iCloud or iTunes. Got it?
So
Hello?
can we unlock ID, sir? Apple ID. iCloud lock can be unlocked from this tool, sir.
First, you have need to jailbreak of that model. After you can unlock.
How to jailbreak, sir? Unlock.
You have to need for the go on YouTube and check that how to
Okay.
jailbreak, because there's a no topic of that class.
Okay. So it is related to IME.
It is not related to IME, but it's some issues and it is totally illegal for our country.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, but it's legal while you have getting care center, it's legal
Ah.
process. But if you
Okay.
want to unlock, so there you have to need the bill box and information of that customer, also proof
Okay.
you can.
Hmm.
So this is your untethered bypass MEID, no signal. So it work. You can unlock iCloud, but it can't work of
Signal.
network. Yeah,
Okay. Let's
it getting
we block
signal
the
problem.
letter.
Yeah. Fixed notification too. If you're getting any notification of that fine, you can fix also in Apple ID. Okay, so it is a function. You can use this tool and you can directly work on that tool. Okay, on Monday we have to use new topic is I think UMT or Miracle. Okay, any question, Jay Kumar?
No, sir.
Thank you very much for the coming. We
Thank
will
you.
continue on Monday, right time, 4 p.m. Okay. Thank you.